They're bullets. Ain't they the blanks?
Yeah, they are, yeah, blanks.
What the fuck is it? This has got to be used training then.
What the hell? And that. Hey, I don't know if that's
We're not there now.
usually if these are fired, that's still live.
Why do I find the live one? What the hell? That's a proper one.
Smoke. Yeah.
Thousands of blanks. Another real smoke grenade. Oh, is this the door? Is this one not bricked up? Like the other?
Yeah, this would,
That looks very, very...
That does look new. Tested 95. Should I turn it on?
what do
Interesting.
Look, one for Rachel here, look. Push hard to release gas.
Look at these systems on here. They barely look used.
Yeah.
So press buttons. Gas release. Automatic, manual. Half this looks unused.
No.
Nice.
That's under at least 6-7 foot, you say?
They can't get any further than there. That's well deep.
We're definitely not going in it. I mean, if that's a doorway,
That is a doorway.
that's a doorway, so... Bastard.
Yeah, have you noticed all the buttons and that sort of one thing? It's untouched.
Yeah.
And there's no graffiti or anything either.
No. Only on the outside.
Yeah.
Blink on.
Okay, now I've got a bend.
Yeah. That's what she is. Put a key in.
Even my light can't even reach that back end.
See what I mean?
Yeah, we need to get bigger. Let's go back to that Cheshire line and get that bow.
Oh yeah, well, I saw a picture of that recently.
Yeah.
It's moved. Yeah, it was.
So what do you think this is used for then?
It's like substation.
Yeah, I mean like this section. This section down here.
Yeah, that would have had main cables running along it.
Can see those cables under the water.
Yeah, well the cables that were on these would have been like that thick, Josh.
Yeah. Yeah, there is one like that thick. Like that cabinet, white cabinet.
Yeah. 2016.
2016.
But these, look at these plugs, they all look new.
Yeah.
All these plugs literally look brand new. So either hasn't been touched or they are literally new. But you said 2016?
2016.
Substation there, look. Yeah. So this would have fed the substations. Like I said, it's
2016 again.
Get rid of that, so I can see this. Yeah.
Look extremely new for what it is. What's date that? 2016 again.
Another water bag. So that's where your power pack or whatever would have been.
Yeah. See, why is it so clean?
Yeah. This is not a lifting beam.
It's literally so clean as if it's like
Yeah.
exit and stairs. Stairs to where?
Yeah.
That hasn't even been used. So the transformers, now we're heading to the rest of the buildings, as you can see, all around. Something.
Machinery.
Oh, that's a hand crank there, so start that one.
we can get round to that from the backside. Oh, we've got stairs up onto the roof.
Roof access.
Some as well.
That's broken, though, so I was walking out of that.
Yeah, exactly. It's got to be something next door.
Gradual, all three of us.
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet.
Wet concrete.
Yeah, you know why? There's a puddle there.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
To do.
I just...
Second powerhouse. Bloody a big hole. Oh, this ain't as big as the other one.
What time was that, do you know? We're at Barnum.
Only suitable types of electrics equipment identified in Regulation 19.2 to be used beyond this point. But see, that one's graffiti. The other one, I don't know how long the other one's been accessible then.
Yeah.
Because if it ain't been trashed like this one, that ain't been accessible for long, where we've just gone.
That's the first game of the day. Yeah.
There's all the power cables at the bottom there. That hole was useless, that's why. Marina gas.
I can't move it, I've not got strength.
Another one of them extinguishers.
Get off and move it, mind you.
We've just done all them. And that's this one.
A bit darker than it looks, but we'll see.
Echo, echo, echo.
See where it's going to be.
Oh, it's like a little cage. Emergency issue notes. And the door's wide open.
Just cross the door.
Yeah, attacked by flies.
What? They put that
Someone? No, but there's a trailer down there with all fencing on it.
I don't know what that's from there, but...
So they obviously are doing.
That's shorn away from that.
They are doing some work.
More trailers.
There's trailers with metal stuff everywhere. Which is a bit odd. They would just.
That's random, is that? Why is that trailer?
Don't know.
Oh, you up? Hang on.
What the hell? That's a proper one.
Smoke. Yeah.
Oh, don't tell Jackie. Oh, no, it's a different one.
There's the one.
No, it isn't. Because the door's on that side, this is the next one down.
Oh, yeah, you're right, yeah.
You thought it was in the same one.
Ooh, I can see a big hole. God, that's old. Oh, God, that is a deep hole.
Little one, this is.
An old chair.
That's where you send the naughty employers.
Yeah.
Well, employees, should I say.
I think it's probably new struck.
Right, there's buildings over there what looks like they might be active. Right at the far end. Because they look like they've got new stuff on it.
No, it tracks
Bullets.
What?
Right below you.
What, these?
Yeah. They're bullets. Ain't they the blanks?
Yeah, they are, yeah, blanks.
What the fuck is it? This has got to be used for training then.
What the hell? And that? Hey, I don't know if that's
We're not there now.
usually if these are fired, that's still live.
Why do I find the live one?
If they've been fired, that
Or it's unused.
It's used.
What the fuck, man? Hundreds of them.
Yeah.
Stores issue counter.
Yeah, loads of these unused. See blanks everywhere on here. So we found a smoke grenade, a metal one, which is military grade. We found loads of these here. Everywhere. Unused. So they're active ones. Shotgun.
Yeah, we've got one here as well. Silver ones.
What the
Another one there.
There's a few there, silver.
Aren't these real bullet ones? Because the rubber ends are.
Any weight to them. There's no weight to them.
These are blanks.
Oh yeah, it says blanks on it, but these metal ones, I haven't seen these.
No, I haven't.
Thousands of blanks. Another real smoke grenade. Another one. So you can see round here. So we've come across this place, an old colliery. So far we found some strange stuff. So first thing we came across is just a smoke grenade, but it was metal, not cardboard. Then after we've been looking around more, there is literally blanks everywhere. Literally blanks everywhere. There's thousands of them. Blanks. Both in shotguns and bullets of all sorts of different sizes. So we don't know what it is. We don't know what this place is at all. I'll get some photos and they'll be on my social media. Definitely a strange one. This is the second time now. The first one was secret testing facility, and now this. Hope you enjoyed this video. It used to be a colliery as well. We put both this one and the other one in the same video to make it easier. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.